Good afternoon, students. I'm Medha and I'm here to discuss the daily current affairs. Today's topic is World's First Personalized mRNA Vaccine for Melanoma Undergoing Trials. A groundbreaking personalized mRNA vaccine for melanoma, the deadliest form of skin cancer, is currently undergoing Phase 3 clinical trials in the United Kingdom. The vaccine, developed by Moderna and Merck Sharp and Dohme, is designed to help a patient's immune system recognize and eliminate remaining cancerous cells after surgical removal of the tumor. A vaccine named mRNA 4157V940 is created to match the unique genetic signature of each patient's tumor. The vaccine is administered alongside pembrolizumab, an immunotherapy drug that enhances the immune system ability to kill cancer cells. It instructs the body to produce proteins or antibodies that attack markers found exclusively on the patient's cancer cells. The University College London Hospitals is leading the UK part of the international trial, aiming to enroll 60 to 70 patients across right centers. Phase 2 trial data showed that patients with serious high-risk melanomas who received the vaccine alongside Keytruda were nearly 50% less likely to die or experience cancer recurrence after 3 years compared to those who received only the drug. Now, the potential impact and future applications. Experts believe this personalized vaccine has the potential to cure melanoma and revolutionize cancer treatment. The vaccine is also being tested on other cancers including lung, bladder, and kidney tumors. If successful, the treatment could offer a permanent cure for various types of cancers, significantly improving patient outcomes and survival rates. Now, let's discuss some prevention and early detection. Protecting the skin from excessive sun exposure using sunscreen and avoiding tanning beds can help reduce the risk of melanoma. Regular self-examination of the skin and moles as well as professional skin checks can aid in early detection of melanoma. Let's discuss about melanoma facts and statistics. Melanoma is a type of skin cancer that develops from melanocytes, the cells that produce the pigment melanin. It is the most dangerous form of skin cancer, accounting for the majority of skin cancer deaths. According to the World Health Organization, approximately 132,000 new cases of melanoma are diagnosed worldwide each year. Risk factors for melanoma include excessive exposure to UV radiation from sunlight or tanning, fair skin, a high number of moles, and a family history of the disease. As clinical trials progress and more data becomes available, these innovative therapies could offer renewed hope to patients battling life-threatening cancers, ultimately improving survival rates and quality of life. That's all for today. Thank you.